what if the next beautiful dress you fall in love with is already hanging in a closet somewhere, disguised as something completely different? Today I'm sharing 50 plus ideas for upcycling clothes into dresses. And some of these transformations are so creative, so inspiring, and so impressive that it's hard to believe what they started as. I found all of these ideas while scrolling Pinterest, and they are packed with inspiration for anyone who loves sewing, refashioning, upcycling, fashion, and creative transformations. As you watch, keep track of your favorite idea because I want you to vote for it in the comments and tell me which dress transformation deserves the top spot. I also have a Pinterest board linked in the description where you can review these ideas, save your favorites, and discover even more sewing inspiration. Some of these dresses come from garments that most people would never imagine turning into something stylish and wearable, while others show how a few creative changes can completely transform an ordinary piece of clothing. My personal favorite is number 27, so make sure you stick around to see that one because I think it is especially creative and unexpected. One of the things I love most about upcycling clothing into dresses is that it encourages us to see possibilities where other people see limitations, and these ideas are filled with examples of that kind of creative thinking. Once we reach 100 votes on a favorite idea, I may recreate the winning transformation in my own style right here on Ms. Angela Sawyer. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, start choosing your favorites, and let's dive into these 50 plus amazing clothing to dress transformations to see which inspiring creations capture your imagination the most. Style is often misunderstood. Many people spend years believing that style is about following the right trends, choosing the right colors, or creating a look that appears flawless from every angle. But the truth is that style has never really been about perfection. It is about communicating something personal without saying a word. One of the reasons upcycling clothes into dresses is so inspiring is that it highlights this idea beautifully. A transformation does not have to be perfect to be meaningful. In fact, many of the most memorable creations stand out because they are unique rather than perfect. And that is something worth thinking about. How much creativity do we miss when we become too focused on getting everything exactly right? Creativity flourishes when we allow ourselves room to explore, experiment, and discover possibilities that were not part of the original plan. That freedom is where expression begins. Instead of worrying about whether something measures up to a particular standard, we begin asking whether it reflects our own vision. That shift changes the creative process completely. Suddenly, the goal is no longer perfection. The goal is authenticity. We start making choices based on curiosity rather than fear of mistakes. We begin trusting our instincts a little more. And over time, those small decisions help us develop confidence in our own creative voice. One of the most rewarding aspects of creative expression is that it allows individuality to shine through. No two people see the world in exactly the same way, and that difference is what makes creativity so interesting. Style becomes more meaningful when it reflects personality rather than perfection. It becomes a celebration of perspective, imagination, and personal expression. The more we embrace that idea, the easier it becomes to appreciate creativity for what it truly is, not a search for flawless results, but an opportunity to create something that feels genuine and uniquely our own. Once we stop chasing perfection, creativity becomes much more enjoyable. There is less pressure to get every detail right and more freedom to explore new ideas. That freedom often leads to discoveries we would never have made if we had been too concerned about avoiding mistakes. Some of the most interesting creative journeys begin when we allow ourselves to experiment without knowing exactly how things will turn out. That willingness to explore is what keeps creativity exciting year after year. It encourages us to remain curious, open-minded, and willing to learn. And here is something interesting. People are often drawn to authenticity far more than perfection. They connect with things that feel real, personal, and expressive. That is one reason style becomes so powerful when it is rooted in self-expression. It reflects individuality, experience, and creativity in a way that perfection never can. If you're enjoying these ideas, make sure to like and subscribe to Ms. Angela Sawyer so you don't miss future sewing inspiration, creative transformations, and upcycling content. Be sure to check out the tutorial videos linked in the description if you'd like to learn new techniques and discover even more creative possibilities. Keep exploring, keep creating, and keep trusting your own perspective. The more we focus on expression rather than perfection, the more confidence we develop in our creative choices. We begin recognizing that creativity is not about meeting someone else's expectations. It is about discovering what feels meaningful to us and allowing that to guide the process. Style becomes richer, creativity becomes more enjoyable, and self-expression becomes more natural. There is a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I'll see you there.